with the Switchblade 300 showing poor performance on the battlefield, primarily for being too short of range, and even more importantly as the warhead was too small, causing only damage against soft targets, which wasn't what Ukraine's drone operators most often encountered. But with the longer range and much more powerful warhead of the Switchblade 600 have shown some impressive results, destroying many high-value targets on Russia's side, with Russia's surface-to-air missile system failing to stop this threat. They have become the target themselves, with the Thor system being the latest victim, managing to hit a fleeing $25 million system, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.